Hello. To hello as a verb means to declare something as holy, to bless something, to sanctify something. The word hello as an adjective would mean that something is blessed, something is holy.
Where they were shot became a hallowed site.
Where they were shot became a hallowed site. So जहां पर उन्हें गोली मारी गई थी उस जगह को हिटलर ने एक पवित्र जगह बना दिया. Another usage, the bones will be buried in hallowed ground. The Ganges is hallowed as a sacred cleansing river. The Ganges is honored as a sacred river. When the church is built, the bishop will hallow the building with a prayer. The bishop will bless the building with a prayer. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by